Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Automation. Today I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools that can make your work 10 times faster. These tools are beginner-friendly, powerful, and can save you hours every single day. So let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT free. Whether you want to write emails, assignments, captions, explanations, or even full video scripts, ChatGPT can do everything in seconds. If you use smart prompts, you can automate almost 70% of your daily tasks without effort. The second tool is Canva AI. If you don't know how to make presentations, no problem. Canva AI can generate a full, clean, professional-looking presentation with just one topic. Students, teachers, and freelancers will love this because it removes all the design work. Just type your subject and the slides are ready. The third tool is Canva AI. This tool helps you create thumbnails, posters, banners, logos, and social media content instantly. With Magic Design, you simply describe what you want, and Canva gives you multiple ready-made options. It's perfect for YouTubers, freelancers, and beginners in graphic design. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs AI Voice. If you want realistic AI voiceovers for your videos, this tool is perfect. The voices sound human, smooth, and professional. Many content creators are using it now to make clean and engaging audio without recording anything themselves. The fifth tool is Notion AI. This is like your personal productivity assistant. It can generate notes, summarize long text, plan your day, organize tasks, and even create content ideas. If you want to stay productive and organized, Notion AI is extremely useful. So these were the top 5 free AI tools that can seriously improve your work and make everything faster. If you want full tutorials for any of these tools, just comment tutorial below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. RJ Automation signing off.